Now few things, the job is not yet done. Okay, you have got a very good proficiency in the subject, but don't let go of the proficiency. What I am trying to tell is, if you don't study this subject for the next 2 months, whatever confidence that you have, it will go. The same thing goes for every subject. In any subject, the moment you don't study the subject for more than 2 months, you will lose the confidence in it. So one, whatever confidence and comfortability you are feeling in this subject, make sure that you get to the same level in all the subjects. Second, keep revising them. Okay, revise them out of stubbornness. You have worked so hard to get to that level, why are you letting it go? So don't let go of that level. Make sure that you are repeating yourself and you are constantly revising them. That is one. Second, practice answer writing. Okay, not only in geography, in every subject, practice answer writing. Don't have that in your head that I have to write good answers. That itself is a wrong notion. I have told you. You also just realize how important is the ability to tell stories. If you are good at storytelling, not in your mind, in the paper, you will excel very well in the mains answers. So please write answers. I have told essays also. Please keep writing essays. Don't worry about, sir, I don't have content. Let me write after I finish the entire thing. There is nothing like that. Write as much as possible, as fast as possible. In the initial aspect of your preparation, quantity matters, not the quality. That is, write 50 to 60 essays. Let it be of below average level. But the learning exercise in that is very high. Don't tell that I am going to write 10 best essays in the next 10 months. That is not how it works. As you keep progressing in your preparation, then quality matters. But now quantity matters. In geography, I have written more than 100 questions answers, sir. In quality, I have written 100 answers, sir. Always make sure that you write as much quantity as possible. Will you do that? Okay. Prelims. I have told before, now this is the formula. Prelims cutoff is equal to the total number of basic plus easy questions. It is not going to change. It has never changed. It will never change the forward also. So please don't get embroiled in all these marketing strategies and become a victim to it. You have understood the basic subjects, revise them more, solve a lot of questions. Whatever comes from Lakshmikant, keep solving a lot of questions that you can from Lakshmikant. Whatever comes from GC Leong and NCERT in geography, keep solving them. Whatever comes in environment, keep solving them. Make sure that you revise the basic subjects and keep solving. So, prelims, revise basic subjects and keep solving. Mains, keep writing a lot of answers. It is a wrong notion that after mains preparation, start writing answers now only. Okay? 4 days, if you keep writing current affairs answers, current affairs means we will post a lot of questions. Secure questions will be posted. If you read newspaper and write answers to that for 1 month, look how much confidence you will get. Just write for 1 month and see. And there also you don't have to write perfect answers. You just try and write whatever answers you know. I have told you, the most important aspect is once you read the newspaper, don't think, okay, I've read the newspaper and keep it there. Okay? What is your understanding of that news? You have to make sure that you create that in your own words. I told you what is biohappiness or what is exposonomics. You are not able to answer. Why? Because you have not converted it in your mind. So whenever you read the newspaper, convert it in your own words and you are going to remember it for a much longer time. Clear with this? So I hope you have got clarity not only in geography, I hope you have got clarity on how to go about the entire preparation of UPSC. Okay? I'll see you once you clear prelims in my mains program. Okay? All the best, guys.